What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, the SEC is tripping, man, and we got to talk all about it. But before we do that, guys, I want to say major salute, number one, to those of you that did your thing on the day, made money, knocked our plays out the park, that is in the Discord. And number two, I want to say a major salute to the 200 new subscribers that have joined the family, guys. I want to say welcome aboard. Come get money with the money team, guys. All right, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm pulling this up. This is the Guardian I'm reading this from, and it says the SEC crypto crackdown, US regulators sues Binance and COINBASE. Guys, on Monday, after months of discussions, threats and warnings, the US Securities Exchange Commission, that's the SEC, guys, took aim at the most powerful force in the world of cryptocurrency. Okay, the U.S. financial watchdog accused the crypto exchange Binance and its founder Changpeng Zhao of operating a web of deceptions. Guys, listen, they like to do these type of things and try to attack. I don't agree with this, not one bit, guys. But let's keep reading. Charging him with an exchange with 13 offenses. Binance handles billions in investments for many everyday investors, but the effects are likely to stretch far beyond the online world of crypto. Okay, guys, check this out. The SEC appears bent on a wider crypto crackdown, prompted by the collapse last year of the Bahama-based FTX. You guys remember Sam Bankman-Fried that was hyping up the little messy head kid, talking about he a whiz kid and a genius. Nah. He just was out here just scamming, okay? Now that has taken place on Tuesday, the SEC accused another crypto platform, COINBASE, of putting customers at risk by operating an unregistered broker exchange and clearing agency. Among the central allegations from the SEC is that Binance and Zhao failed to truly split the U.S. company from the U.S. exchange that it was spun off. On Tuesday, the SEC announced a new set of charges, this time targeting COINBASE, the U.S. domiciled crypto exchange that has long marketed itself as the most respectable crypto exchange. Not so, argued the regulator, which has accused COINBASE of operating an unlicensed securities exchange, brokerage, and clearing agency, putting customers at risk in the process. The pair of enforcement actions suggest that the SEC has decided to take broad aim at cryptocurrency firms it sees as bypassing regulation, either by blurring the distinction between on and offshore services, as with its allegations against Binance, or by trading unregulated security, as it alleges COINBASE has done. As a result of all this, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at COINBASE. They are sitting at $52 at the time. It is down 12% on the day. And guys, they were down as much as 21% under $46 this morning in pre-market. Okay, again, these charges that has been levied against both Binance and COINBASE was a huge blow to the crypto industry today. But check it out, guys. Bitcoin, by all accounts, has shrugged it off. But check it out, guys. Bitcoin, by all accounts, has begun to shrug theirs off, okay? They are up 4.5% today, almost 5%, sitting at $26,000 at the time of this recording, knocking on the door $27,000, okay? So, again, this news on COINBASE on the front end, guys, may have knocked the stock down. But again, I don't like these charges. I don't like what the SEC is doing. They are unclear about what they want. And again, coming in this regard is not the right way you want to go about this. It is stifling creativity. It's stifling our competitiveness and innovation. And again, if you want to do this, you should have started with FTX before signing off and co-signing that, okay? But with that being said, Bitcoin is showing you, okay, we might have knocked this down yesterday, but we back on our Dean today, okay? And then COINBASE, I wouldn't be surprised if this is just a buy the dip scenario for you guys that are in the crypto, and to see this begin to bounce back, okay? But with that being said, guys, these charges, although they are civil in its pursuit, they again put both the crypto industries and these individual companies, Binance and COINBASE, in the spotlight and in the negative spotlight. And sometimes, guys, that take a hit on your brand temporarily until the dust settles and you're able to kind of shake it off and address the allegations and things like that. Okay, so again, keep your close eye on this. But again, if you guys are invested in crypto, you have to weigh what's an opportunity versus what's something you stay away from. Okay, these are the type of things you want to make sure you're being mindful of. I just want to make sure I keep you guys abreast of all the things to be considering. Okay, with that being said, guys, I wanted to briefly touch on Tesla today. I'm going to make a dedicated video to this and I'm gonna break down the technicals, but guys, you guys keep it quiet for me. Okay, Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, sitting at 223.62. It was up over 1.5% today. Okay, and it hit our price target of 220. That's why I'm briefly touching on it, but I told you where this was going. 220, 225. Okay, stay the course and trust the process. All right, and then in after hours they're up another $1, or the equivalent of $2.34, sitting at 223, getting very, very close to our next price target of 225. Okay, this morning, guys, I want to say major salute. I talked to you guys about looking for Tesla to test 220. Okay, it was going to find support around that 214 level. It overshot a tad bit to around 212 before coming back up and making its way up almost $10 at this point, back to this 220, 223 range. All right, trust the process, guys, and understand the market not going to give it to you easy. That's why I show up every day to give you instructions on how to navigate. All right, if you guys can remember to stay the course and you guys can remember to trust the process, you will see the fruits of your labor, guys. It's tried, true, and proven. Okay, you ain't gotta question it. You ain't gotta wonder if it's gonna work out for you because it worked out for all these other people. No, if you trust the process, it too can work out for you. All right, and that's what I want us to guys to kind of key in on. All right, Tesla, look, check this out, guys. On the week, it is up nearly 12%. All right, it's been on a tear, breaking through 196. Remember, I talked to you guys about 200 was next. Once you clear certain levels, guys, it's not enough to just clear the level. You want to kind of hold the level and then turn resistance into support so you can kind of go higher. Speaking of that, we're up 29% on the month, guys. It's been a phenomenal past month, and then if we go out 3 months, we're up 12%. And so this is what I want to kind of focus on here, guys. Check this out. Look at how at 217 at this level, you guys see the line that's across the screen. It was operating as resistance. Okay, then we fell, continue to fall at market open to 213. All right, then we bounced back up to this level again, which is what, 217. That was operating as resistance. We tested it 2 times, and then we formed that little small double bottom there, and boom, we bust through, boom, and that took us to 219. Okay, 219, we came back and retest, which was once resistance turned into support. Okay, look at these closely so you guys can see these things kind of unfold before your eyes. Okay, after we retested 217, now it's support. Remember, it was resistance. We used support as a launching pad, and then that took us up here to 220. Okay, we tested it once, twice, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, and then that took us back down, but to guess what level? 217.90. 217 has now turned into support when it was once resistance. I'm saying this twice so you guys can stick and get the message. Okay, we bounced off 217 and then made our way back up to where? 220. Okay, 220 was a level of resistance, but in after hours so far, we have already taken off and we are sitting at 223. Okay, we are en route to 225. Don't be surprised if we gap up tomorrow. Okay, but a lot can happen overnight, so I'm not getting caught up in that. I'll give you guys knock out the park home run instructions first thing in the morning, so please make sure you're in the Discord if you are not already. Okay, but I'm trying to tell you, and I tell you guys these things and these plays and these moves well in advance, so the more this sticks and the more you can apply what's being taught each and every day, you guys can execute every day at market open, okay, and then receive the true results of putting this to the test. All right, we're looking for 225. That is our next level, okay. So we got a lot to look for in terms of tomorrow, okay? So I want you guys to be ready. Also, you now know clearly you got support at 217. You got support at 220. That's going to be a more lighter level, but 217 has been holding up. So again, if you don't get in, don't ever chase. You want to make sure, okay, let it come back at 217. If it continues to hold up at 217, guess what, guys? That's your entry, and you take it back to 220. 223, and then en route to 225. You got to know, anytime we test new resistance levels, you're going to be met with the rejection, okay? That's typically what likes to happen unless we just got a clean break. All right, but always look for a little rejection, a little pullback. It's healthy, it's par for the course. It goes with the process, okay? And then again, you remain surgical, you take it higher, you continue to make your money, but more importantly, when you see profit, you take profit. Listen, guys, I won't hold you up. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.